Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will make a painter robot. This robot can move, shake and draw colorful pictures. Let's start to talk about our materials. These wood plates and there is holes for each corner and also the size of plates. For example, each size, this is a square plate and also each size has a 10 centimeter. We can choose near that value. For example 12 centimeter and also 8 centimeter, and also we are going to use the flat cardboard, and also there is a motor here, there is a switch and there is a battery box. We are going to use two battery which has a 1.5 voltage. For each battery has a 1.5 voltage, and also there are 4 different color pens or marker, and we are going to use a double-sided tape, and also we are going to use scissors. Okay, first of all we are going to put these pens into these holes. You can use any colors which you like. You have to put these pens through these holes. These are legs and also hands of the robots. Okay, now our robots stand up. It's nice. It's on the, or each hands can touch the paper, so it is enough to hide of these robots. Okay, we can motor. First of all, I want to add the battery box into plates. To stick this battery box onto a plate, we can use a double-sided tape. Okay, this sticked. Now we can continue. Then we can put the motor on the main plate. To stick this motor, we can also use again name tape, double-sided tape. Okay, then we are going to use the switch to open and close our robot. To stick switch onto plate, we can use also double-sided tape, and we can control the robots on or. Then we can connect this battery or power to switch and motor. On, we can connect the other side of the switch and another wire. In the electronic system, generally the red wire shown or represent the positive terminal, the black wire shows or represent the negative wire. In the electronic system, of course. Our switch is on the off mode. Every time while you are connecting any device, you have to put on the off mode. Otherwise, maybe can damage yourself. So please pay attention to this one. For example, while you open, we can energize our motor. After that, we have to use a flat material with our weight material, but the motor shaft we have to put through not on the center. It should be near to a side. Okay, because it causes a vibration on the motor. To do that, you have to use the uncentered weight. Okay, then I think everything is ready to play. Okay, as I said, all material is connected, you see. So the secret of this motor or this robot is to be weight uncentered. Okay, so it causes the shaking on the system, on the material. This causes the vibration for the motor. Okay, now comes the robot secret. We make a small flat weight. We don't open hole in the center. We put should be near the side. This is called uncentered weight. This will make the robot shake and move. And the size of the flat, you can use a different values, it doesn't matter what. I will use a 4.5 centimeter. It is nice to, it is enough to be flat weight. You can choose a 4 centimeter or 5 centimeter. It should be near that value. Now we put the weight onto the motor shaft and we fix it carefully. Everything is ready now. Okay, dear friends, already we put the robots on the paper. Now I will turn on the switch. Okay, dear friends, already we put the robot on the paper. Now I will turn on the switch to energize the motor. Let's look at that. The robot is shaking, moving, and I will open the pens and it will start to draw a picture on the paper. Now please start to drawing picture. You see, look at it, nice. It is drawing. It is a painted robot. Yes, it's shaking and drawing the colors on the paper, as you see. Yes. Now I want to talk the science of these robots. Let's learn something about this robot. Why does the robot move? Okay. First of all, the motor is spin and the uncentered heavy plate shakes because there is a shaking because of the uncentered movements on the motor, on the robot. The robot start to vibrate because of the shaking and the robot moves to with vibration. And then the pens start to drawing colors on the paper, as you see. Okay, dear friends, today we will paint a robot. Thank you for watching this video and your time. See you next time. Goodbye, dear friends. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this video. See you next time.